Yo, what's up, Star Wars fans? Today I'm going to do a Star Wars Lego review on my Plo Koon starfighter. Okay, I'll show you how it looks like under. Sorry for that, it fell down. Okay, there's one stand here, the most important stand, and two stands here, and there's one pulley here. If you're supposed to pull it or push it in, and then they said that this Plo Koon is supposed to jump out, but I don't know how to do it, so heck care. Okay, I'm gonna show you my this is Plo Koon. As you can see, inside here, Plo Koon is inside here, and this figure here is called, I think he's called R4P17. Okay, Plo Koon's droid. Okay, if you wonder how I put him inside here, I put him inside. Normally, in the starfighters it's straight, but this one you're supposed to put R4P17 sideways, like this, sideways. Okay, I'm going to tell you. And here's his lightsaber. Closer. This is his lightsaber. Small one, very small. Here is his boosters where all the rocket fire comes out. Okay, and let's see. What I'm going to tell you about Plo Koon. Okay. His species is Keldor. His homeworld is Dorin. I don't know what's his birth date. I didn't dare to check. Height 1.88 meters, 6 foot 2 inch. And his rank is a Jedi Master, trained by unknown. I also don't know. That's why. Preferred combat style, Form V, Digem, So, Shen, which I showed you in my mysteries book. But this guy, I know him by heart, and his trademark is decisiveness. I don't know how to read it. Well, never mind. Okay, here is his stickers, thing to support, and I think that might be, and some more stickers here. And let me take out this to show you how Plo Koon looks like. See, he's sitting down. I'll bring you closer to show you him. Plo Koon. Back. And his lightsaber. Put it back in and let him sit down. Okay, put him back in, and thank you for watching this review. Tune in to see some more reviews. Thank you. Bye, Star Wars fans.